So the reason why you're temporarily detained is to talk to you because you have a camera.
What's the crime of? Is having a camera with a high power lens a crime?
We're having a conversation.
But to actually physically detain me, you have to have RAS of a crime.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
What's your name and badge number?
Right there's my name.
Right there is your name?
Yeah.
It's a lot of you guys' name right there, man. What's your name and badge number?
It's right here.
It's right here? Yeah. So you're right there and you're right here.
You have no, listen, you like I told you, you have no say about it. None at all.
Yeah, we do
and
have
if you
some say.
want, and I'm welcome, I welcome you
So
to
can we
challenge
get
me
your
on
name?
that.
Can I have your name if we want to challenge that?
I'm not giving you any information.
Okay.
I'm not giving you
But again,
anything.
I appreciate if you didn't film our federal building.
I
okay?
understand. I appreciate your appreciation,
Well,
but
again,
you have no say about
we
that.
do have some say so
You don't.
about
You have none.
What's up, CT3 fam? Welcome back to my channel where we highlight 3 clips and I'll recap with a few educational pointers to ensure your rights are not violated on your next encounter with the cop. My name is CT3 and my goal is to make this an educational experience based on your civil rights and your freedom to film in public. Now with that said, the channels being featured today are Night Watch POV, Art Bard, Sean Thomas source from Photography is Not a Crime. Make sure you use the link in the description for the full videos. And while you're over there, please show them some love because without them, there's no CT3. If you could, go ahead and gently smash that like button before the video even starts so this video will spread and hopefully help put an end to police misconduct. Now with that said, let's get right into it.
Sorry? Sorry, I don't know you. I'm not gonna have a conversation with you. I'm sorry? What's
I got a call with your description.
Yeah?
So we're gonna have a conversation.
I'm not gonna have a conversation with you.
Do you have any idea on you?
No. I'm on a public sidewalk. I haven't done anything wrong.
They're telling me I'm with the subject.
Suspect or subject?
Subject.
Okay. I'm gonna continue on my way, sir.
No, you can stop right there.
You're detaining me?
Yes.
For what?
To further investigate.
Investigate what?
They're telling me on the sidewalk right in front of one place.
What's your reasonable articulable suspicion that a crime is occurred or is about to occur?
Okay, so we got a call saying, with your description, the high power lens taking photos of the vehicle.
This is a high power lens?
I don't know anything about cameras.
You can, okay.
I don't know anything, to be honest.
Okay.
I don't even know how to use a camera on my phone that well.
Okay.
Okay, I'm bad with technology.
Sure.
So the reason why you're temporarily detained is to talk to you because you have a camera.
What's the crime of? Is having a camera with a high power lens a crime?
We're having a conversation.
But to actually physically detain me, you have to have RAS of a crime. So I'm asking you what the crime is. Because there's going to be a complaint and a lawsuit if there's no crime.
Okay, so the reason of suspicion is 2019, right? Have a lot of crime that occur, whether it's in the city of Brea or not. You know, people that take pictures of buildings. I understand if you can take, you're on the public side, by all means, you can take as many pictures as you want. But there's
I can't right now because you're detaining me.
Well, there's cause of concerns why someone would be taking pictures of a building. You know, if I
don't need to explain it though to you. It's not a crime.
Okay, that's fine. But I just wanted to further investigate. That's why I'm here.
Well, you can stand here and watch me and see if the crime occurs. That's investigation.
By all means.
But that's it. So I'm going to just continue walking this way unless you actually have a crime that I've committed.
You're free to go.
Okay, that's what I thought. Okay. What's your badge number? Is this 1683 your employee number? Or?
No, it's my badge number.
That's your badge number and it's Officer King?
Yep.
No stripes? I wonder why. You don't know the law very well, sir.
Okay, well, like I said, you're investigating what's going on. You clearly say you're not doing anything wrong.
Maybe when people call and say there's a guy at the camera, you should just say, what are you guys doing? Like, well, you watch too many Bruce Willis movies. You can't just assume something's wrong because the guy's on a sidewalk with the camera.
I understand.
I mean, well, you understand now, but you didn't a minute ago.
Yeah, well, you refused to talk to me. And I was letting you know why I was temporarily
I'm completely within my rights not to talk to you.
Okay. Well, like I said, you're free to go.
I'm free to stay too.
Okay.
So, what's your badge number?
Alright, what did I do?
1673. Well, you're a public servant, so you're identifying yourself.
1672, last name Cross.
Thank you, sir. Also, no stripes on this guy. I'm narrating to the camera. Okay. No stripes on this guy. It's not a surprise. They don't know the law very well.
This was a good old-fashioned beatdown. Only NWP used his words to deliver the blows. I applaud Night Watch POV on how calm and professional he remained while exercising his rights. So much for enforcing a "we got a call" law, so I'm detaining you. Let's highlight a comment. It's from Lee, and Lee says, "To all auditors out there, keep up the good work, because our rights are slowly being eroded, and if not for you guys, they will get away with any and everything they can, and things will have to change. It might not be in my lifetime, but somewhere down the line, if people keep holding the police accountable and the government, things will eventually change." Let's continue.
Got you guys when I'm over there. Look at this.
What you doing here? What you doing here? What you doing? Okay.
Can I have your name and badge number? So we got this guy who he came up.
Why take picture here?
What's that? Can I have your name and badge number? Guess we got this.
Far from my car, please.
Uh, 95679. Failure to identify yourself. Can I have your name and badge number? I'm gonna get this guy's car some more. This guy just pulled up on me. That's crazy. Who are you? You don't want to identify yourself. I mean, you came up to me. We can do this all day. Why you feel the confidence to drive up so close? And then you leave. Let's see right here. Oh, this guy's pissy, man. He's just walking away. I got his car though. Looked like he was eating some pears, little Clorox mass or so. Oh, it's coming back up. Maybe he was told to leave it alone. All right, bud, you can go home. Yeah, have a good day, okay? Next time, give me your name and badge number. That'd be good. It's crazy. It's cool. I'm coming right over there anyway. Hey, you don't want to identify yourself still? California Highway Patrol?
Hello? Sir, I need officer from here. This guy, take picture.
Okay, call the office, please.
That's right, bud. Call the office. It's not their problem. It's not even your problem. You don't even know what you're doing, man.
It's okay.
It's okay? So why'd you come over here?
Hello?
Why'd you come over here if it's okay?
This security guard for the glass.
Let's get this convo.
This is crazy for what you do.
Look at this, guys. He's not even a cop. You all set? You having a good day now? Now that you feel like you told on me, you feel good? All right, guys. So, let's just see. Oh, goodbye now. You have a good day. This guy is so out of it. Look at this. This guy can't drive at all. Dude, what are you doing? This makes no sense at all. All right, guys. What do you have here? What's that?
What's going on?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
What's your name and badge number?
Right there's my name.
Right there is your name?
Yeah.
It's a lot of you guys' name right there, man. What's your name and badge number?
It's right here.
It's right here? Yeah. So you're right there and you're right here. Well, you guys are obviously right there and right here, but
Well, what was the deal with him?
I don't know that guy.
Okay.
You guys came out, so maybe you guys know what the deal was.
Well, yeah, he called in saying that you were harassing him. But,
I was harassing him?
yeah.
So why'd he leave? Why didn't
Well, I told him to. I said, well, if he's harassing you, just didn't leave her and drive off. And he
Yeah.
said, okay, that's what I'll do.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you gotta ask me what's going on. Shit, you guys already know. I don't know. I was hoping you guys knew. He came up to me. I was recording.
Have a good day.
But it's your guys' policy to give me your name and badge number. So you guys don't want to go on the record for that? You guys have a beautiful day too then. Pickups, please. Wow. See what's going on in here, guys.
Come on, officer, right here and right there. I hope you law enforcement officers see how dumb you look when you are identified by pointing at your name and saying right here. Have some respect for the public and have some honor for yourself and your position and say your name and badge number. Now this comment is from Glenn Watson and he says, being suspicious is not illegal. The next comment is from Michael Willcutt and he says, free country, can't go anywhere he wants. If you're there, means you're following him.
Why not?
It's a secure area, so you can't video here.
Why not?
It's a secure area.
Why can't video here?
It's a secure area. It's a federal area. You cannot video here.
Is it against the law?
Yes, it is.
What law?
It's against U.S. government law.
What law is that?
Sir, you can't video here.
Tell me
so
the law.
I appreciate, sir.
You just said it's against the law. What law is it against?
You cannot video here, sir.
What law is it against?
Right. This is a secure area. You can't video here.
But it's a public area, right?
No. It's a public walkway.
Right.
Okay, that's what it is.
Am I in the public walkway?
So you can't video the building. You was videoing the building. You can't video the building. It's a secure facility.
Are you absolutely sure about that?
I'm positive, sir. It's a secure facility.
Who do you work for?
This is the Federal Bureau of Prisons. You cannot video the building.
And that's who you work for?
Yes.
Well, you should get a supervisor down here because I want to know
Listen,
the.
I'm not going to do that for no YouTube or nothing or no TV camera. I'm just telling you, you can't video the building. It's a secure building.
Well, okay? I'm not going to stop recording it.
All right, no problem.
Hi, how are you? What's your name?
Mike Ward, the captain.
Mike Ward.
Who are you? Is your phone on right now? Are you filming us right now? For what reason?
Because I can.
No, this is federal property right here.
And?
You're authorized to confiscate your whatever you filmed on.
You think you're authorized to do that?
Yes, we are, sir.
You think you are?
No,
under what law? Under what law?
Under federal law.
What law? Cite the federal law.
Right. I don't have to cite the law. This is a federal building right here.
You have no authority to. This is. I'm in public. Anything in public view is fair game. You have no right, no legal authority.
Why are you filming?
You have no right, no legal authority to even challenge me.
No, I can challenge you.
No, you can't. You can't. You can't.
Yes, we can.
You understand? Supreme Court, First Amendment right to do this. All right? Yes, yes, it is. And you're a law enforcement officer. You should know that.
No, and I do know that. Anytime you film a federal building, okay, and this is a federal secure property right here. All right, you're not supposed to be doing that. And by Title 18, we can ask you to confiscate what you have.
No, you can't. No, you can't. You can't.
Again.
No, you can't. No, you can't.
Again, sir, could you leave our premises and not
What
discontinue
do you
to
mean
film
leave your
out?
premises?
Well,
this is public
as
property.
As far as filming our building, okay? I
You
appreciate
have
if
no.
didn't
You
film our
have.
building,
Listen. You.
okay?
Like I told you, you
Is
have
that
no
right?
say about
Okay.
it. None at all.
Yeah, we do
and
have
if
some
you
say.
want, and I'm welcome.
Okay.
I welcome you
So
to
can we
challenge
get your
me on
name?
that.
Can I have your name if we want to challenge that?
I'm not giving you
Okay.
any information.
Okay.
I'm not giving
But
you
again,
anything.
I appreciate if you didn't film our federal building.
I
okay?
understand. I appreciate your appreciation,
Well,
but
again,
you have no say
no,
about
we
that.
do have some say so
You
on
don't.
it.
You have none.
Okay,
None
well, I appreciate
whatsoever.
it. If you
None
didn't film-
whatsoever.
Again,
No
I appreciate
whatsoever.
you
You're a
didn't film
captain.
our-
Perhaps you
Right.
should go look.
Right. No, I do know. I know what I am. And I know what I do. But my thing is, you shouldn't be
you
filming
don't
our
know.
building,
Well,
okay?
you don't know. It's public.
Again.
Within public view. I have every right to film this
that
building, and there's absolutely nothing you can say about
Actually,
it.
could you just leave our area? We appreciate
Yeah,
it.
and I'm in public. I'm in public. I have a right to be here.
Again, sir, could you leave our premises?
I have. What do you mean your premises? This is
As far as
public
well,
area.
again, you're filming our federal building, right? You can film people walking up and down the sofa. Okay?
Somebody's coming down.
All right.
And like I said, I have every right to do it, and there's nothing you can do about it. I have every right to do it.
Could you please leave, sir? No, he's fine.
I don't know. He apparently doesn't understand the United States
we do
Constitution
understand-
that he
we
took
do
an oath
understand
to
the
uphold.
Constitution,
No, you
okay?
don't understand
Again,
it.
you're
Apparently
filming a
you
federal
don't.
building, okay?
I know
This is
I'm
a
filming a federal
exactly.
building, and there's nothing you
It's
can
a
do
federal
about it. It's
prison.
within
It is,
public.
because for security reasons, you
doesn't
should not
matter.
be filming our building,
Listen,
sir.
it doesn't matter what this building is. It's within public view. I'm in the public. I have
No, but
every
my
right
thing
to
is,
film
for
it, and you
security
have no
reasons-
right to
for security
infringe upon
reasons,
that right.
we do.
Wh-
For security
Well, you
reasons, you
think
shouldn't
you
be
do?
filming that
If
building.
you think you do, we
Okay?
can finish that in court
Right.
because I'm going
Well,
to
you
continue
do-
filming the
Okay.
building.
Okay.
You have no right at
Yo,
all,
let's get-
no authority at all. None at all whatsoever. You think you do it. I understand you think you do. Most people in law enforcement are the dumbest motherfuckers when it comes to understanding the law. But you think
Sir,
that you
first
can
of all,
stop
we're not
me?
using profanity towards you, sir, okay?
Well, you're infringing upon my rights. I have a right to be out here filming this building.
We also have a right for
You
security.
have
for
no
what we
right
have in
to
here,
infringe
okay?
upon my right, First Amendment right to film this building. You think you do, and I'm challenging you on it. You think you do, then do something about it.
This clip provides us with a glimpse into 2014. Those FBI agents tried to use some intimidation tactics, but it wasn't working. Sean knew his rights and wasn't backing down for no one. I would love to see how the same agency will react to a citizen filming nowadays. If you want to rewind and watch a pro at work, I wouldn't blame you. But the final comment of today is from Bunkin, and they said, "It's crazy to me how many officers think it's okay to detain someone for investigation. Basically, you stand there while I figure out how to charge you with something. It's really sickening what policing has come to." But that's going to do it for this video. Much love to these awesome creators. Make sure you use the links in the description to go show their channel some love and check out the most recent videos. If you're not already, make sure you'll subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next episode. If you made it this far, thank you so much. You're the real CT3 fam. And without you, there wouldn't be no CT3. Remember, if you can believe it, you can achieve it. And until next time, peace.